open cars. They're from 1914. And they were converted over to open-air cars for the Canadian Rockies. So you can actually see the backside of the roundhouse as we travel. So enjoy the ride. I'm going to be a little quiet. So make sure your seatbelts are fastened and ready to go.
Okay, everybody. Over there is the roundhouse. That is where they store, service, and maintain the locomotives of the evening. It's also the last remaining roundhouse from the steam era that's still in operation today in all of North America. Or the family?
Whatever you want to call me.
Thanks.
Coming in here, they're going to jump into the railroad tracks. These are railroad tracks used by the Sierra Railroad. They bring lumber from the mountains down to Oakdale, and they bring propane from Oakdale back up to the mountains. On this side, you can see the water tower. This is the water tower that was built.